Hey babes, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with my natural hair washing routine. So sometimes I start off with apple cider vinegar and just clean my scalp with it, just like pour it in my hands and massage my scalp, trying to get it real clean, you know? So I'll start by getting my water really warm. I hate using hot water in my hair. To wash it. Yes, I get it really warm. And today I was going to use my almond and avocado nourishing co-wash. However, I noticed I didn't even have a lot. So I ended up going in with my Manuka Honey Hydration Shampoo as well by Shea Moisture. And I don't know if I said it, but the co-wash I use is by Design Essentials. This co-wash is so bad. It leaves my hair so soft and it smells so good. But yeah, so I went in with the Shea Moisture shampoo first and then did the co-wash after that. It wouldn't be a real hair wash if I didn't use my Vanity Planet scalp massager. Y'all, I love this thing. It's the best. It feels so good. It's massaging my scalp, cleaning it up. It promotes hair growth. So yes, I always make sure I hit the hair with my hair massager. It's lit, y'all. So if y'all know about those, y'all need to go get one. This is not no kind of promotion or whatever, duh. But I'm just saying, I love my Vanity Planet hair massager. It's a must-have for all naturals. Go get it, y'all. So just making sure I had everything rinsed out and I dried my hair with an old t-shirt. I don't use a towel because it sucks up all the good stuff you need in your hair. So I use the old t-shirt. Then it's conditioner time, okay? So I went in with my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey conditioner. So first I start by putting conditioner just all over my head, and then I start sectioning it off and raking it through my hair in little pieces. I was looking for a hairband, but I could not find one, so I just had to come up with something, and boom, ta-da, found a comb. So yeah, I just section my hair off and rake the conditioner through until the whole head is full of conditioner. Then I take it back old school with my mane and tail, y'all. Just the mane and tail deep conditioner. And I pretty much just go ham with my deep conditioner. I put so much deep conditioner in my hair, it's ridiculous. Massage it through my scalp and do a quick little rake through. I don't really take it in sections and rake it through. I just take my hand and just, rake it through. You'll see. So after putting all of that conditioner in my hair, I cover my head with the conditioning cap. This is actually supposed to be one of those heated conditioning caps, but I had it for so long, I don't think it's like heated no more. So I just cover my head with a cap and let that sit for about 45 minutes. So while the conditioner is sitting in my hair, I'm going to go mix up me a little hair mask, okay? This is the Indian Healing Clay Mask. I see it everywhere. Here it's good for naturals. So I'm going to mix this up and add it to my hair like the last 20 minutes with my conditioner. Now it's time to add that clay mask. So this time I'm going to section off my hair into 4 sections. I found me some hair bands, y'all, so we in business. So yeah, I am sectioning my hair off into 4 sections so I can add the clay mask to my hair. After sectioning my hair off to 4 pieces, I even sectioned those 4 pieces off into like 2 pieces. So it can be easier to like add the mask to my hair. So that's what I'm doing now. As you can see, just raking it on through. This is actually my first time trying the clay mask. So I'm like, am I even doing this right? Am I supposed to be combing it through? Do I rake it through? Or, you know, what am I supposed to be doing? But did what I felt was right. So I'm just raking the clay mask through all the pieces of my hair. This clay mask had got freaking everywhere, all over my clothes. Sorry, y'all, I'm having a mini concert. But yeah, so after I got that all in my hair, I just kind of went back with the rest of it because I had a little bit left over and just put it in my hair, okay? And then cover my hair back up with the conditioning cap, and I let that sit in there for about 20 minutes with the conditioner that I already had in my hair, and then I hit it with the blow dryer just so it can set good in there, okay? Then I remembered I had this heating cap, so I decided to make my life a little bit easier. Then I found another life hack. I set the blow dryer right on my towel rack, and ta-da, hands free. It got kind of hot in there. I'm like, they don't want to see this. So I'll be back after I let that sit for a second. Then I rinse it all out. Go to the sink one last time and rinse my conditioner and the mask out. I did hit my hair one more time with that Manuka Honey shampoo just to make sure I got all the clay out of my hair.
I'm actually not sure if I got all of that out of my hair, but I guess we're about to find out. Okay.
So now I'm about to put in my leave-in conditioner. Start by sectioning my hair again. Something fell on my toe, y'all. It hurt so bad. But yeah, I start sectioning my hair off so I can go in with my leave-in conditioner. So I usually go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but I realized I didn't have a lot of that either. Clearly I need to go re-up on my products. But yeah, so I start by just putting that all over my hair, raking it through, combing it through, you know, making it feel all good. Then after I go in with my Curl Enhancing Smoothie, I go in with my can 2. I usually don't use can 2 all the time, but since I didn't have a lot of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, I decided to go in with my can 2. I love can 2 though, it smells amazing, but I usually just use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I rake that through really well, and then I take my blend brush and just brush it through, like comb it through, make sure it's all spread through evenly. Okay, start from the roots and work your way in the curl. Then I just grab a couple of pieces and swirl it around my fingers, y'all. Coil it up for some pieces that don't look as curly. But yes, just to define my curls a little more. And last but not least, I take my favorite product, Elasticare Feels Like Silk Styling Gel. It's so bomb. Like, I love it. It really holds the curl for you guys. Like, you put that in and you just let it air dry. You have to put it in your hair while it's wet. It should be like soaking wet, even though I dry my hair a little bit, but it works better when your hair is soaking wet and you add it to your hair. It makes the curls so bomb. But yes, you put that in your hair and just let everything sit and dry. Thank me later if you try that Elasticare. It is the bomb. Look at them curls, y'all. I've been giving a little shake. Alright, babes, and we are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, drop some comments, subscribe, hit that bell, and follow my socials. Bye.
She's a bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck. Oh my god, that's my baby. Caroline, you divine, mighty fine. Shorty really know the price, like a pro.
Fuck you thought.
Holy shit, I'm really lit.